Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. Alright, for today's video, I have a comparison video on my curls. So on one side of my head, I'm going to do finger coiling, and on the other side, I'm picking up my Denman brush and I'm going to style with the Denman brush. So if you would like to check out today's video, stick around with me and keep watching. And if you do enjoy the video, please be sure to hit the like button. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, I'm going to go and get these curls nice and clean, and here we go. They're nice and cleansed, and now I'm going to start on this side over here with the finger coiling. I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair into smaller sections. Then I am going to add one product and done today. I will have the details of this product in the description box below for you guys if you're interested. So I go ahead and work it through with Reiki motion, and then I'm going to separate in smaller defined sections than I usually would for the finger coiling. So I want really tiny curls today, and you could even go even smaller or bigger clumps, just depends on how you're feeling and the look that you want to get and kind of how much time you got as well. So I had a little more time today, so I could take up a little more time and do smaller sections. All right, let's go and keep speeding through the finger coiling. Once the finger coiling is complete, I'll take a little bit more gel on my hands and just scrunch. It gives a nice little extra layer of hold, so I have really nice frizz-free curls. Now it's time for the Denman side. All right, so picking up my brush, I'm going to go ahead and section off my curls, and I'm going to be styling my curls with the Denman brush with the technique that I really like to use. This is the usual technique. It's like my fave. So if you want a more in-depth video on how I do this technique, I will link that video down below for you. And again, if you're interested, check it out. But I'm going to go ahead and just show it a couple more times slow, and then I'm going to speed right through the Denman brush side. After scrunching out the Denman brush side, these are my results. So my hair is very nice and dampened. I'm going to go ahead and air dry for an hour, and now I'm back. So these are air dry results. They're not completely air dried, still a little bit dampened. They look pretty similar as the shrinkage for the bottom length, but I do have a few more layers on the Denman brush side. So after now diffusing, my hair is completely dry here. I have a few more layers on the Denman brush side, but again, the length is about the same at the bottom. It is a little bit more elongated on the finger coil side, and now we're not done yet. We got to do some more fluffing and a little extra stuff. So I went ahead and did a scalp massage. I scrunched out the crunch. I did separate my curls a little bit. So there was the Denman brush side. Here's the finger coil side. They're very similar as far as definition. Like, it's beautiful, but I do have a few more layers on my Denman side, a little more volume on the Denman side. I don't know, I do really love them both, but I want to know what you guys think. So maybe down below in the comments, you guys could, you know, leave your thoughts and let me know. Do you guys like the Denman Brush side? Do you like the finger coil side? What do you guys like to do? Let me know. And that is it, all of my curl friends and my makeup lovers. I hope you guys come back next Monday for another video. Take care.
Okay.